install a toilet water line. In this case, we're going to need a toilet water line, a small wrench, and paper towels. First, you're going to want to turn off the water supply to the tank of the toilet. Clockwise. Tighten as much as you can, not too much. Next, take the lid off. Flush as much water as possible. Unscrew the top part and put some paper towels down to catch any residual water. If it's too tight, you can use a bigger wrench to fit around these sides of the whatever the hell this is called. Next, unscrew the bottom nut with your crescent wrench. Spin the rest. Right. Now, if water keeps coming out of here and you've tightened this as much as you can, then do not take this off. You have to turn off the water supply to the apartment or that goes into your house or wherever you're living, and shut the water off from there, because sometimes these valves go bad and you have to replace them. New water line. We're gonna do the top first. These ones, Fluid Master, are good because they click at the top and they tell you when to stop twisting them. There, nope. Also be careful not to spin the fill valve inside, because sometimes that'll happen. There. Now the bottom nut. These have a rubber piece inside that seals it so that water doesn't leak out, so no Teflon tape or anything else needed for this. That should be good. You don't want to tighten this too much. So if this starts to bend this way because you're still tightening it, then you might break the PVC pipe, which this is usually pretty brittle because it's been there for years. Open the water valve. No water coming out. Tank is full. No water coming out. Like and subscribe.